Good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you clicked on this morning, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm out in a little bit different area, a place I've only been to a handful of times. Be fishing North Deer Island and South Deer Island and a few of the little oyster reefs in between. Last couple times I've been here just really wasn't all that great, but I think it was always in the winter time when I came here. Water was always clear and I saw a bunch of sheephead, not really much of anything else. You know, they say they got that, or they have that saying, a bad day on the water is better than any good day at work. I kind of wish that was true for yesterday. Yesterday I was out in Matagorda, took a friend out there who's getting into kayak fishing, and it was horrible. Guys, it was horrible. I was able to catch one redfish 16 inches, and I wound up catching a seagull. Somehow the seagull decided to fly right in front of me as I was casting, and he got wound up. Luckily for him, we got him off safely, got him back flying, but after a few bites to my hand, and which was pretty freaking painful, like I said, we got him off. He's unhurt, unclaved, back to normal. So nobody was hurt in the video of that one, but I don't think I'm actually even going to post that one. It was just a horrible day. Maybe today will be better, I'm hoping so. So y'all stick around, let's see what we can get on to. My main target for today is going to be trout. If a redfish or a flounder decides it wants to bite, hey, I'm not going to complain. But mostly what I'm after today is going to be trout. Going to be fishing the oyster reefs and a few little small guts. Stick with me and let's see what we can get into. There we go, come on. Maybe have we gotten on to some fish? Maybe. Got some birds working. And looks like we gotta get in the net. Jeez. In my day. So let's just make sure he's keeping. Oh, you freaking swallowed that. That's my only crown roll. Come on, bro. I gotta get you out there. Get it. Thank you. Oh, you may not be too bad. But I do know this. I need to get on some more fish. Get you. We're at 16. Early 17. Alright, let's get a couple more. Hopefully got that one on camera. Oh, there's one, there's many. There we go. Fish number 2. Oh, get up. Nice. This is a much better trout. Oh, nice. Very nice. Told you I was out for trout today. Oh. What about trout? They always get you all wet. Oh, thank God. I'm finally on some fish. Oh, you spit it out for me. Thank you very much. Saves a lot of work for me. You are definitely in the slot, but I will take a measurement just. Very nice. So let me make sure that everybody can see this, because I've been known to get the wrong angle before. Oh, look at that. 17 and a half. Nice. You're going home today. Get you in there. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. Let's get a couple more. Finally. Guys, you have no idea how hard I've been fishing today. Let's get right over here underneath those birds. Oh yeah, there they are. I just seen a bunch of them jumping. Okay, come on. Okay, let's get us another one. Just no seagulls. Yep. Oh, that's a little bitty dake. Don't tell me we're going to throw you back. Oh yeah, we got to throw you back. You did not make the cut. I'm not even going to measure you. Dude, go back and tell your grandma what I did. Go tell your mama what I did. Somebody, come talk to me. Come on, have a little bit more meat on you. Nope, just another dink. You gonna get off too before I get you up here? Nope. Got your lips pierced. Hey. Help me. Help you. No. Get out of here. Like barely have a hold of it. Like, dude, you're like the smallest dinker that I ever did catch. Dude, how did you even fit that in your mouth? If I can't catch one of this little H&H and a voodoo shrimp, as everybody says they love to use. I don't know if I've ever even caught anything off of one, to be honest with you. We're fixing to find out if I can. Well, that'll be the first. Caught one on the voodoo shrimp now. But I'm tired of these little 4-inch dinkers. But, hey. Bro. Now, will you make the cut? I doubt it. I seriously doubt you make the cut. You're a little bigger than the rest of them up in kitchen. Dude, I mean, seriously, it's that big. You got my net all tangled up in your hook. Now, there was no need for all that. Thank you. There's no way you're 16. Oh no. Get out of here. Something's on there. Oh, there we go. Come on. Okay. This one might be a keeper. If he is, he's barely. Dude. Fix you here in a minute. See how big you are. See if you're worthy enough for the table. Oh man, let me get you right up on there. Hang on, because you are going to be close. Close your mouth. You have to go back in the water, bud. Sorry. You are lucky. Can't all be keepers. Okay, that's a half decent one right there. That one actually pulled me. Yeah, there we go. Bro. Bro. You wouldn't be any good at basketball. Can't even get in the net. I think you made the cut though. If you didn't, you're just gonna be lucky. Oh, you're lucky. Doggone it. But they are getting bigger. It was right at 15 inches. think that's, pretty sure that's going to be a little dink. Yeah. Thank you. We are in them. Thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate that. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's it for me today. The birds have totally disappeared now. And my stomach is telling me, Brent, it is time to get back in and get something to eat. I am starving. I haven't eaten at all today. What a day, though. I mean, I started the day off at 5:30 this morning. With no luck, I headed off from Tiki Island all the way to Deer Island, went completely around Deer Island. I think I saw one redfish and couldn't even get on him. He was gone just about as quick as I saw him. Didn't see any birds working over there. I saw no bait fish or bait jumping out of the water, no blow-ups, no nothing. The water was just completely dead. Kind of gave up hope when I started coming back to the truck, and then I seen these birds working. So, and y'all saw all the rest of the video. Man, it was, I thought I wasn't gonna catch anything today, to be honest with you. So anyway, it's time for me to get out of here. I'm starving to death. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more, ring that little bell. It'll let you know the next time I post a video. So far, this will be the 5th video I've posted. And since I've gotten started with this, I've picked up at least 71 subscribers, which is a whole lot better than what I thought I was gonna do. So y'all guys keep watching. I'll keep making them as quick as I can. Thank y'all guys for watching. Love you. Enjoy the rest of your day. And whatever you do, be safe out there, and we'll see you down the line.